Hello everybody and welcome your faces back to CryptoJet, where you already know I'm here to provide you with the most quick and concise review on the market. Now today we're talking about HOLOCHAIN. We can see our last week's graph on the logarithmic chart. HOLOCHAIN basically is a blockchain network for, it just does similar stuff that Ethereum does, but it has its own advantages and disadvantages, obviously, as every other coin does. So what we saw was a break of a beautiful downtrend with significant touches, making it a valid one, right? So also another confirmation for a bullish movement is this line of support, creating somewhat of a double or triple bottom and being just being a historically very sturdy area of support. So what do we see here? We saw a nice break of the downtrend. Now, it wasn't the most perfect one because it actually kept going down after the official downtrend was broken, but we did start seeing bullish movements. We did start seeing, as we said, some resistance at this area, but we actually did break out of it. Now, the best part is that crypto markets actually work during the weekend, so I can see the price moving live right about now. So what can we see this price doing in the near future? Well, we have another significant level of resistance right about here. So I would expect the price definitely to hit this level of resistance and perform somewhat of a retracement before potentially breaking out of it in the slightly medium to long term, right? So we could see somewhat of a consolidation in this area. Let's move on to the daily chart to make it simpler. If we see a consolidation, there is a chance that we may form somewhat of a bull flag or bullish pennant or however you want to call it. And, obviously at the break of this pennant, we can expect to engage in more long positions because we will be likely breaking out of this zone. Now, on the other hand, we could be a little bit more bearish in the outlook. And that basically signifies a larger retracement. So as per the Fibonacci retracement levels, me, I always use this as a tool for my retracement. Basically, the optimum retracement for me in this example would be somewhere here where the Fibonacci actually coincides with this zone of support, which used to act as resistance in the past. So at this point, if we do see the price actually consolidating on a lower time frame, so if we move on to the hourly, for example, and we see that the price is, let me just remove this line. So if we move on to the hourly time frame and we see the price coming down here and actually performing somewhat of a consolidation, right? That likely means that this zone that acted as resistance in the past is acting as a valid support currently. And then the price can keep moving upwards. Now, that would be it for HOLOCHAIN. Definitely bullish in the long run. And yeah, that would be it for today's video. If you like it, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, show me some love, and I'll see you all in the next one. Adios.